Hi, welcome back to Literature Litwist channel, and today we are going to learn the summary of the play The Lady from the Sea by Henrik Ibsen. Before getting into the topic, if you are a person who are preparing for NET/SET exams or any other competitive exams related to English literature, then I hope this channel would be helpful to you. So please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Definitely I need your support to upload more videos related to English literature. So let's get started. Henrik Ibsen was born in 1828 in Norway. Henrik Ibsen is considered the father of modern prose drama. This play, The Lady from the Sea, was written in 1888 in 5 acts. Here are the characters of the play, The Lady from the Sea. Elida Wangel, Dr. Wangel, Elida's husband. The stranger, lover of Elida, Balete Wangel, Hilde Wangel. They both are daughters of Dr. Wangel. Ingstrand, friend of Dr. Wangel. Anne Holm, former tutor of Balete. Let's get into the play. Elida was a beautiful young girl. She is living in a town named Geode. It is a fishing town and very near the lighthouse. Elida's father is a lighthouse keeper. One day, a ship put in for repairs at this town. The ship's second officer comes out of the ship and visits the lighthouse. There he met the beautiful girl Elida and he admires and he falls in love with her. While her ship is undergoing repairs, the second officer, the stranger, quarrels with his captain. As a result of that quarrel, the captain is killed by the second officer, who is the lover of Elida. So the guilty man plans to escape. Before going, he meets Elida and make a strange ceremony that he removes his ring and hers also and prepares a keychain with the help of these rings and casting them into the sea. Throw them into the sea. As soon as he went, Elida writes a letter telling him that she won't consider the engagement binding. As a reply, the stranger writes a letter that someday he will come and marry her. After some years, Elida's father dies. She is left alone. So she becomes a wife of a doctor named Wangel. Dr. Wangel is a widower with 2 grown daughters. They are Balata and Hilda. She spends much of her time alone in her new home. Her loneliness naturally leads to a mental depression. After the years pass, a fear grows in her mind that what will happen if the stranger will return. Her imagination so strongly works upon her that on one day the stranger comes from the sea and meet Elida. Elida requests her husband to allow her to go to him even though she doesn't love that sailor that much. Finally, Dr. Wangel decides to tell her that she is absolutely free to choose. When Elida finds that she is free to choose between her husband and the sailor, she realizes that this man who has been a fearful mystery which she concealed from everyone including her husband. Finally, of her own will, she orders him to leave her, telling him that he no longer has power to mystify her. With perfect trust and no secrets between them, Dr. Wangel and Elida starts a new life. Let's see some MCQs. First question, when was this play The Lady from the Sea written? The options are 1888, 1988, 1978. The answer is 1888. Next question, Henrik Ibsen was referred as dash. The options are the father of literary criticism, the father of modern prose drama, the father of modern poetry. The answer is the father of modern prose drama. Elida is the daughter of dash, a collector, a painter, a lighthouse keeper? The answer is a lighthouse keeper. Next question. Who is referred as the lady from the sea? The options are Ellida, Hilde, Bolette. The answer is Ellida. Next question. Who is the former tutor and possible suitor of Bolette? The options are Stranger, Anham, Lindstrand. The answer is Anham. Next, who is the friend of Dr. Wangle? The options are the Stranger, Balustrade, Lindstrand. The answer is Lindstrand. Next question. The stranger killed his dash. His friend, ship's captain, ship's sailor. The answer is ship's captain. Next question. Ellida is the second wife of dash. Dr. Wangle, Lindstrand, Anham. The answer is Dr. Wangle. Next, how many acts are there in this play? The options are 3, 5, 6. The answer is 5. The last question. Finally, Ellida lived with dash. The stranger, Dr. Wangle, Lindstrand. The answer is Dr. Wangle. Check yourself for how many questions you have answered correctly out of 10. Let me check whether I have taught this play clearly or not, and share your opinions in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this play. Thank you for watching.